Hello everyone. Often we need to collect lots of information from our users, so we use long forms without even realizing that long forms can scare our users and make them leave our site. To avoid such a situation, we can use multi-page forms. Multi-page forms not only allow us to collect all the information without scaring our users away, but also boost our site conversion rate. So in this video, we are going to show you how to create a multi-page form for your WordPress site using the Live Forms plugin. To start creating a multi-page form, first install and activate the Live Forms plugin. After activating the plugin, a new menu named Forms added on the admin dashboard area. Now click on the Forms and then Add New. As you can see, there are multiple pre-built form templates available here. You can choose any of them. For this tutorial, we are going to choose Start from Ground. To start building multi-page form, first add the form name. Now go to the settings page and click on the look and feel option. Now check the enable multi-page form option. This will allow you to create a multi-page form. Go back to the form builder page. In this form, we are going to add two sections. As we can see, one section is already here. Hover over the section field, click on the settings option and add the section name. Now it's time to add another section. For that, drag add new section and drop it. Again hover over that new section, click on the settings option and add the section name. As we have added two sections, it's time to add form fields to each section. And we have added all form fields in each section. Once you have done with the form fields, you can customize the form submission button. You can also change settings option of this form. Once you are done, click the Save Form button. Now it's time to publish the form. For that, click on the Embed button and copy the shortcode. Now paste the shortcode on the page you want and publish the page. And here is our multi-page form. As you can see, the form is split into two pages. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.